In this video we'll talk about GraphQL and how you use it in Archbee. Hi, I'm Val, the head of the knowledge at the PitchGround. GraphQL is an open-source data query and manipulation language for APIs and runtime for fulfilling queries with existing data. It usually comes with its UI tool called GraphQL, but often just providing that to your customers is not enough. You also may need to write about how to use it, give some explanations, provide user flows, and so on. That's why Archbee has GraphQL in-house. To add a GraphQL widget, click on this little icon and set the link to your GraphQL endpoint. And there you go. You have full-function GraphQL. If you have any questions, you can look through the knowledge base or feel free to ask here in the chat.